Hey foodies, what if I told you the secret to the crispiest zucchini chips isn't in a deep fryer, but in your air fryer? I've tested dozens of methods, and what I'm about to show you will revolutionize your snack game. These aren't just healthy, they're addictively crunchy. What you'll need is 2 medium zucchinis, olive oil spray, salt, and your favorite seasonings, and the game-changing ingredient, a paper towel. Here's where most people go wrong. They skip this crucial step. First secret, use a mandolin for perfectly even 1/8 inch slices. Consistency is key. Pat these babies dry, and I mean bone dry. This is what separates soggy from spectacular. Now, here's where the magic happens. Set your air fryer to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Trust me, I've tested every temperature. Watch these transform from pale green to golden perfection in just 12 minutes. Look at that crunch. These aren't just healthy chips, they're better than store-bought. Drop a zucchini emoji in the comments if you're making these today. Hit that subscribe button for more game-changing air fryer hacks.